x to the power a divide x to the power b whole to the power a square plus b square plus ab times x to the power b divide x to the power c whole to the power b square plus c square plus bc. Same thing times x to the power c x to divide x to the power a and whole to the power c square plus a square plus ca. Now we know once base are same in division, power will be subtract. It means a to the power m divide a to the power n. We can write a to the power m minus n. So same thing, we can write x to the power a minus b, and here is the times a square plus b square plus ab. Same thing, x to the power b minus c, then b square plus c square plus bc times, here is also same thing, x to the power c minus a, and then here is a c square plus a square plus ca, right? Now the most important thing is that we have to know a law, which is like a cube minus b cube. What does mean? It means the law is a minus b times a square plus b square plus ab. So same thing in here. So against this one we can write a cube minus b cube times this one we can write x to the power b cube minus c cube times same thing x to the power c cube minus a cube. Now look, all the bases are same, x, x, x. So this case we can write x to the power a cube minus b cube plus b cube minus c cube plus c cube minus, there is a cube, a cube. Why? Because we know once bases are same in product, power will be at. It means a to the power m times a to the power n. It means a to the power m plus n. Right? Now look, here is a minus b cube plus b cube out. Then a cube minus a cube out, minus c cube plus c cube out. So x to the power 0. That means our answer is only 1. These kinds of math you have to face in your exam. It's a very important, especially grade 9 and 10. In the high school level around the world, these kinds of exponential math is very important. So please subscribe my channel, because from this channel you will get lots of things. So next video will come very soon. Till then, take care, keep practice, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.